This deck railing and lighting looks amazing. Hi, this is Kelly DeCestro, and I'm at the Star Showcase home benefiting the Wichita Children's Home. Today I'm here with Luke from ADI. Hi, Luke.
Hi, Kelly. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So tell us a little bit about the railing that we selected for the home.
Kelly, this is our Deck Pro Prestige aluminum handrail in the absolute black color. It's a textured black finish, and it's a really good looking rail system on this project.
So Luke, this railing is beautiful. Tell me a little bit about why we selected this color and style.
Kelly, we chose this color and style really because of two reasons. Number one, it matches the house metal and the window trims. And then number two, it really brings out the color of the deck. The design of this product comes in a bread loaf style top rail that's really elegant, and it really makes a nice looking outdoor rail system for this project. In addition to that, we've got a 4-inch surface mounted post that is really heavy duty, and so when someone really tries to come up and grab a hold of this product, they can't move it.
I love the robust railings on this. It really gives the deck some gravity and looks really great. And I also really love that it's called a bread loaf style rail. That just makes me a little happy.
Not only does it look good, it's gonna last a long time. This material has a limited lifetime warranty, and it comes with an AMA 2604 powder coating, which is going to stand up against the UV. The sun emits this UV that it destroys outdoor products, but with this AMA 2604 powder coat, this material is built to last. We won't see any fading over the life of this product.
I was out here when the contractors were installing this, and it seemed to go up really quickly.
It really does. This rail system, most of the time, is installed with a jig system. And the jig, what it allows is to take these brackets right here, the top and the bottom rail bracket, and you can put them on that post right there without using your tape measure. It speeds up the entire process by up to 40%. It really goes together very quickly.
I've seen this deck at night, and the deck lighting is gorgeous.
Paired with the Deck Pro Prestige rail system is the Deck Pro Effects low voltage LED lighting.
And I was really excited that it's all done with a remote control. I played with that a little bit.
It is, and that's a cool feature, is a small little remote control will control all the lights on this deck. They can have on and off, and they can go with 3 preset modes, or they can dim it to their desired temperature.
This space is just going to be great for ambiance, and it just really adds to this. I love it.
I agree. It looks gorgeous.
With this deck lighting, does it require an electrician?
Being that it's all low voltage, most people can do this. It's very simple. Each one of these caps have a male and a female connector, and they're simple plug and play connections. And so it goes together really fast. Actually, the light has 2 leads coming off of it, and it goes through the top rail into this cap and circles on around all the way around the deck, kind of daisy chain effect. So it goes together very fast. There's no splicing, and there's no caps that need to be used.
Thank you so much to ADI for donating the product for this. All the net proceeds from the sale of the home are going to go to the Wichita Children's Home, so partners like you are just so important to this project.
Kelly, thanks. It's been our absolute pleasure, both myself personally, as well as the company Absolute Distribution Incorporated. We have been very honored to be a part of this project. We've loved every minute of seeing this from start to finish. We're happy to have provided the rail systems and the lighting systems to help the future homeowner really enjoy this space.
Thank you for watching another episode of the Star Showcase Home benefiting the Wichita Children's Home. You can see past episodes on our social media channels, including Instagram, Facebook, and at starlumber.com.
Let Star guide you through the entire project.